Hello and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel. I've got here the ring light that is sold by CAIYING EU and fulfilled by Amazon, and it's a 19-inch 55 watt 5800 Kelvin LED ring light, and I think you have to agree that it is an absolute beast of a light. So why would you want one of these? Well, it's great for photography. I use it for video, and it provides an even light and doesn't cast any shadows. In fact, some people, I've been informed, use it for makeup, and indeed it's got there two lugs, and apparently that is to mount a mirror to. Also, I've been informed. Now then, it costs £99.99, but up until the 31st of July you can claim a £10 voucher on that, reducing it to £89.99 on Amazon, and if you're with Prime it's free next day delivery. So what do you get? Well, you get yourself one of these lights. You get the plastic filter that clips on all the way round it. You get yourself a tripod, which is 1.5 meters high. You get two adapters that slot into the cold shoe mount on the top, one being fixed and the other one being a ball head. You get yourself a little screwdriver, and you get yourself a phone holder which will clip in there, and great, and I've used that for live videos. You also get an adapter plug, a little bit like a laptop style charger that plugs into the back and provides the power, and it is only mains power. There is no battery power on this thing, but it's so big I don't think you want to lug it around with you anyway. And it all comes with a nice padded laptop style bag for the light. Now then, it is a low consumption light, high brightness, and it's from 3000 to 5800 Kelvin adjustable colour, and also from 1% up to 100% on the light. So let's talk a little bit more about the features. So here we have the front of the light. You can see at the base there's the attachment that goes onto the tripod, and this turn screw here will adjust this so that the light can be 90 degrees down or completely the other way, 90 degrees backwards. It comes with a white set of filters which are easily installed. They just clip into place like that, and inside there are 4 panels of 60 LEDs, 30 cool and 30 warm, and that is the front of the light. Not much to say there. They are surface mounted diode LEDs. To the rear of the light we have here the power socket, which is simply just like a laptop job that slots in there. Turn it on and instantly the light powers up. You can see it's on there, and that is only on 1% at the moment. So on the rear here we have the LCD screen. It tells you it's plugged in by the mains. I don't know why it needs to do that, because it can't be plugged in by battery. It tells you the percentage that the light's at of brightness, and also what Kelvin it's at. And so we start over here. Here we have the group button. Now this is a rather interesting little thing. A, B, C, D and E. So if in A I set it at 1% brightness and 3400K, switch it off, next time I turn it on it will remember that. And again with B you can see it's 100% and 3000K, 50%, 4000, and you can preset them all yourself. The next button over here is the quick brightness, and that just toggles you through very quickly. 1%, 25, 50, 75 and 100. A nice quick scan through the brightness if you need to just reach through the back and do that. This button here is for the wireless control. Now I haven't got it, but if you do have wireless lights that will all talk to each other, by switching them all onto the same channel and using this, they will connect together, and whatever adjustments I make to this light here, the other lights will also adjust to the same, and vice versa. But of course if you don't want that interference, you can then scan out of the channels and onto another one from there. and I think it's something like 48 channels, so you know you've got plenty of scope there not to get interference from another light. This here is just a very quick manual brightness, so just literally scrolling up and down is your brightness, and then if you hit the middle button you will scan all the way down from 3000K, which is really warm, up to 5800, which is a really cool light, and around about 4600 seems to be a good balance for what I've been using it for, which is live videos. And then pressing the button again goes back to the brightness. The illumination is 4800 lux at 0.5 meters and 1680 lux at 1 meter. And all in all, I tell you what a fantastic light this is. And so finally, here is my little Nikon camera that I use to film the reviews, mounted inside the ring light. It's nice and steady in there, and it gives a nice amount of light, and unbelievably this is at the moment only on 1%. I think you can see the difference. You can see a slight reflection, apologies for that. But if I 1%, if I now take it up to 100%, as I say, it's an absolute beast of a light. And then if I press on the coolness and to warmth, you can see the different LEDs coming in and creating that warmth or the coolness of light that is honestly really worth having on a product like this, because a cool light's a little bit too much at times, and you just take it down. As I say, I use about 4600 Kelvin and it just produces a nice light. But I'm literally, when I'm doing my live videos to a Facebook group that I set up, I've literally got this light down at about 1%, which is absolutely crazy. And the only downfall that I think is of this, if I had to say, right, choose one thing that I don't like about this product, and that would be the fact that if you wear glasses, there we go, this is the only downfall that I can find with this little light. If you wear glasses and you are a little bit too close, you end up looking like a minion. So that's literally the only fault I could find with using a ring light. So there you go, the LED ring light from CAIYING EU, fulfilled by Amazon. I will put the link on the YouTube video there, and it will be on the website as well. And that is that. Take care.